For months now, I have tried to figure out the complicated world of Shopify dropshipping with nothing but my own brain, a couple of YouTube videos, and finally a quick beginner's course on the topic that basically teaches you what Shopify dropshipping is and how you can start making some money with it. Since starting my dropshipping journey, I have gone from losing hundreds of dollars on the daily advertising with Instagram theme pages and Facebook ads to pretty much breaking even or coming out ahead with some small inconsistent profits. But even with this major progression, I am still not at a point Shopify dropshipping where I can afford that Lamborghini I have always dreamed of. So in this video, I am going to be searching the interwebs to find a dropshipping guru, and I am going to be following his or her techniques to see if it makes me a success or failure in the e-commerce world. Alright guys, so to get things started, we have to pick a Shopify dropshipping guru to learn from. I was hoping that Ty Lopez would have a Shopify course available, but unfortunately he only has courses on social media marketing, a course on real estate investing, and finally a course on how to sell courses. So I did some more digging and found Shopify gurus such as Hayden Bowles, Max Trubitsky, and Kevin David, but it turns out that all of them have already been exposed by this Instagram page by the name of Baller Busters for scamming their clients, so there's absolutely no reason to test out their methods if they're just going to take my money and dip out. Eventually, after more research, I came across this Shopify YouTuber by the name of Ecom King that I have known about for a while, and right off the bat, I really like this guy's YouTube videos because he seems to be giving out a ton of information and knowledge for 100% free. For example, he has this 4-hour-long Shopify dropshipping course just posted up on YouTube, and he also has a 3-hour-long print-on-demand course for 100% free. So what I am going to do next is watch a ton of his YouTube videos, particularly on advertising Shopify stores. I'm gonna take a bunch of notes, and hopefully I can use his techniques to secure a fat profit. Alright guys, it's been about an hour and a half since I started researching information on how to advertise your Shopify business, and I think I have been enlightened pretty well by our guru, Ecom King. The store I am going to be running ads for in this video is one I created for a failed challenge venture in the past by the name enchantingtherapy.com. I know for a fact that this store has a very good product, as our guru Ecom King mentioned it in one of his videos as one of the top products to sell in the summer of 2020. And well, since we are currently in the summer of 2020 and Ecom King thinks it's good, we may just be set to make boatloads of cash with this venture. Now, as for the advertising plan, I am not going to be advertising via Facebook ads, as when I tried to do so in the past, Facebook hit me with a notification saying that I wasn't allowed to sell the product as I was focusing on a specific body part by trying to sell an item that helps you clear your skin. Seeing that notification made me absolutely furious, and it's no wonder that only boomers use the Facebook platform nowadays. But anyways, just because we can't advertise with Facebook doesn't mean we can't still make some money. I just watched a bunch of Ecom King's videos on advertising with Instagram influencers, and this is pretty much the gist of what I learned. To find influencers to market with, you want to go to www.cloudhq.com and search for influencers in the niche your dropshipping product is in. In my case, that would be beauty or skincare, and boom, a bunch of influencers are going to pop up, and it is your job to skim through those influencers and find ones with solid pricing, real followers, and real engagement to work with. Over the next day or so of this challenge, I am going to be messaging as many Instagram beauty pages as possible using Ecom King's methods, and hopefully I find some solid pages to work with that are going to make me boatloads of cash. It has officially been 48 hours since I last updated you guys, and well, today and tomorrow are going to be absolutely insane for the dropshipping business. I ended up closing 7 Instagram theme page deals, 2 of which are going up today, which is Wednesday, and 5 are going up tomorrow on Thursday. The total cost for all of this is a fat 140 bones. In my opinion, I am getting a really good deal on these Instagram theme page promotions, as all of the pages have a combined following of 1.4 million people, which is absolutely insane, and they all have an engagement rate above 3%, which is pretty good according to our guru Ecom King. Yesterday evening, I ended up sending out my video ad copy, and link in bio to each of the Instagram theme pages I am working with for this challenge. For the ad copy, I ended up writing out a pretty long sales pitch that goes into detail on what Enchanting Therapy is about as a company, and what our product does and how it helps you better your skin. If you guys want to see how my long sales pitch looks, I will pop it up on the screen right here. And overall, I think it looks a lot more professional than one of those spammy dropshipping ads with the emojis. I am, however, a little bit concerned about the attention span of the people reading the ad, and I'm worried that they won't read my entire long sales pitch. But I'm sure if they find the video ad interesting enough, they will be willing to listen to what I have to say. As for the video ad, I ended up getting it created on my favorite video ad creation website, bandsofads.com. I noticed once I switched from using Fiverr to the Bands Off Ad service, I started getting a lot more traction on my website when doing dropshipping promotions. So if you guys want to try the Bands Off Ad service out for yourself, please be sure to check out the top link down below in the description and use code WOLF for 10% off any order you decide to make. Finally, for the link in bio, I really didn't do anything different than what I normally do. Ecom King has preached in his videos, however, to link directly to your product page instead of having people go to the homepage on your website. This eliminates any extra steps for potential buyers. But luckily, I have already been using this technique since the beginning of my dropshipping journey. With that being said, today is going to be a very exciting day for the dropshipping business, and I will let you guys know as soon as the first ad goes live for enchantingtherapy.com. Yo guys, I am currently enjoying my 1 day off of working per week out here in Lake Geneva with my friends, and one of the 2 dropshipping ads going up today is officially live. The goal is to sell 3 LED therapy masks for a total of $150 in revenue off of only $40 in ad spend. If we are able to do that, I will be on top of the moon, but only time will tell if we are able to achieve that goal or not. With that, a massive goal in mind for the day, I spent the rest of the day hanging out with my friends, going for a walk around the lake, and I even bought a brand new pair of sunglasses from one of the stores we visited. But unfortunately, it became pretty clear as the day passed that the promotions with the 2 Instagram theme pages were total failures, as we got absolutely 0 sales and 52 visits on the website. Yo guys, as you can see, I ended up getting a grand total of $0 in sales today. That is super unfortunate. The influencer promotions didn't go as well as I hoped they would, but with that being said, we still have tomorrow where we have 5 influencer promotions going up at once. I will see you guys then. Yo guys, it is now the next day of this challenge, and well, I am super hyped as all 5 of the Instagram theme page ads are officially live. We are going to have to make quite a lot of sales today to make up for yesterday, so I will keep you guys updated on our progress. It is currently 3:58 p.m. and as you guys can see from the live view here, we just got our first sale on the Shopify store, which is super exciting. I'm really hoping we come out with some more sales in the late afternoon with our product, because we are going to need some more sales if we want to leave this venture profitable. And boom, following that clip, that same night around 1 a.m., I ended up getting an additional 2 sale order from one of the customers. And oddly enough, I also ended up getting an additional order about 2 days later from a customer out of North Carolina, bringing our total revenue from this promotion to $210.01. For this challenge, influencer costs came out to $140, product cost came out to $72.80, and finally, I am not going to count the cost for the Shopify subscription and the video ad, as the Shopify subscription is free for the first 90 days of use if you use the link down below in my description, and also the video ad is considered a startup cost, as you really only pay for it one time and you can use it for every single promotion you do with that Shopify store. Overall, that brings our total profit for this challenge slightly in the negative, and you know what? That is totally okay. Shopify dropshipping isn't just a skill you can learn super quickly by copying everything a guru tells you to do. It's a skill that can take years to perfect, but once you perfect it, it can literally change your life. On that note, people, I am definitely going to continue building this store and my other store, thecamper.us, in future videos, as I am having a lot of fun with them, and hopefully if I can keep practicing one day, I can secure a fat profit with those websites. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, please be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new, and I will see you guys with a new Financial Wolf episode on Monday. Peace out.